Hey guys, welcome back to Caribbean Tunes. In this series, we are looking at the chemistry syllabus. This is the very first topic in the chemistry syllabus, 1.1 section A, and this is the particulate theory of matter. So what we're going to do, we're going to define matter, define the particulate theory of matter, and then look at some simple examples that prove the particulate theory of matter. So what is matter? From primary school days, you probably have been swatting this definition. Matter is anything that has mass and occupied space, but that is exactly correct. Matter is anything that has volume and mass. So we're going to be looking at the particulate theory of matter. Now the particulate theory of matter has four main rules. It says that matter is made up of particles. I drew some particles here. These are the particles that you would see in matter depending on the state. And in the next video, we'll be learning different states of matter. So matter is made up of particles, and these particles are in constant motion. So these particles are in constant motion. That's the second statement in the particulate theory of matter. Alright, now if you notice, between these particles that make up matter are some spaces. So we say that between the particles, there are some spaces between the particles that make up matter. And the last statement says that there are forces of attraction between these particles. Now in the next video, you will learn that depending on the strength of the force of attraction, you can have different states of matter, solid, liquid, or gas. But today we're just going to point out that there are forces of attraction between these particles. The four statements in the particulate theory of matter state that it is made up of particles. These particles are in constant motion. There are spaces between these particles, and there are also forces of attraction exerted between these particles. Now we're going to look at a really easy experiment that helps to prove the particulate theory of matter. This is diffusion. Now we say that diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration until evenly distributed. So let me show you here. If you have some gas and it's in high concentration here, this is the similar way that your air fresheners work. So we have an air freshener and it's releasing some fumes here. It's going to move from the region of high concentration, which is at the source, to the region of low concentration. There's no over here, so the particles move in this direction to the region of low concentration until the particles are evenly distributed. So that's what we say